Get ready to power up your electric vehicle the smart way with the ChargePoint HomeFlex Level 2 J1772 EV charger. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to install, operate, and optimize your EV charger effortlessly. About the product. ChargePoint offers reliable and flexible EV charging solutions for homes, businesses, and fleets, with 24/7 support and access to a vast charging network. Through its mobile app, users can remotely control charging, track data, find stations, and manage smart features. Built for safety and durability, the UL-certified charger supports indoor or outdoor installation and delivers up to 45 miles of range per hour, about 9 times faster than a standard outlet. It uses a J1772 connector for non-Tesla EVs, while Tesla vehicles require an adapter. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the charging station, faceplate, charging cable, installation tools, installation template, wire cover, user manual. Installation. Before beginning work, check the site for the appropriate mounting location and electrical capacity. Ensure the homeowner has chosen an installation location that allows the charging cable to reach the car's charging port while still providing slack. Ensure there is a stud available at the desired location for mounting the charging station. Ensure there is a Wi-Fi signal available. Remove the faceplate and the wire cover from the charging station. Set them aside. Mark the center of the stud with a line approximately 1,000 to 1,100 millimeters above the finished floor. Place the charging station against the wall. Line up the charging station's 2 mounting holes with the marked stud line. Ensure the charging station is level. Mark the 2 lower mounting holes. Unplug the charging station. Line up the lower mounting holes on the installation template with the marks you made. Tape the template to the wall. Mark the top mounting hole on the wall with the installation template. Remove the template from the wall. Drill the 3 mounting holes with the included drill bit. Use the driver bit to drive a lag screw into the topmost mounting hole, leaving a 3 millimeter gap to hang the charging station on. Keep the remaining 2 screws for later use. Hang the charging station on the protruding screw using the notch on the back of the charging station. Drive the remaining 2 lag screws into the bottom mounting holes to secure the charging station. Be careful not to damage the electrical wires. Insert the exposed wires from the hardwire circuit installation into the corresponding holes, pushing the cables up until the silver conductors are no longer visible. Remove the cable clip from the wire end of the cable, but do not discard it. Fold the wire ends and insert them into the bottom hole of the charging station. Match the green wire to the ground on the left terminal of the output block. Insert the exposed wires into the corresponding holes, pushing the cables up until the silver conductors are no longer visible. Snap the white levers all the way down on each wire. Insert the 4-pin plug into the connector to the right of the output supply wiring. While pushing the cable up, slide the cable clip into the slot. This secures the cable and acts as strain relief. Insert the 4-pin plug into the connector to the right of the output supply wiring. While pushing the cable up, slide the cable clip into the slot. This secures the cable and acts as strain relief. Place the wire cover over the exposed wiring. Use a coin to lock the wire cover in place. Apply the rating label to match the circuit feeding the charging station on the bottom of the station over the default rating displayed. Snap the faceplate onto the charging station. Connection setup. Download the ChargePoint app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and set up your ChargePoint Home to start charging, set a schedule, and get a reminder to plug in. You can also track your usage. Select a power source, hardwired or plug-in. Then connect with Wi-Fi after connecting. Your charger is ready for use and only be visible to you. How to use. Unplug the vehicle charge port by pressing the button on the charge handle. Then open the charge port door by pressing and holding the trunk button on the key fob. Insert the charge handle into the vehicle charge port. Check the vehicle controls to verify charging. To remove the charge handle from the vehicle, press and hold the button on the handle to unlock the charge port. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.